Hello and welcome to the Programming in C++ series. In this video we're going to be finishing up Chapter 3, Input and Output Exercises. So before we start this video, let's go ahead and hit the like button, leave a comment at the end, and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. Our first video we're going to go over Programming in C++ Programming Exercise 3-9. And in 3-9, our instructions are: a dairy farm Inc. has decided to ship their milk in containers in the form of a cube rather than cylinders. Write a program that prompts the user to input the radius of the base of a cylindrical container, the height of the cylindrical container. The program then outputs the side of the cube with the same volume as a cylindrical container with a precision of 2 decimal places. You may assume that the volume of pi equals 3.141593. Format your output with set precision 2 to ensure the proper number of decimals for testing. And then for task 1, we just want to make sure that correct output for test cases to get 100%. Alright, so let's go to our code. Right, first thing we're going to look at is we're going to need to add our include statements. So we'll do that. Include, and the first one we'll add, we'll do the IO manipulate or manip. Then we'll do the CMath as well. Alright, so include IO manip and include CMath. Alright, and as far as our constants, we do have one named constant, and it's going to be a double, and we'll call it pi, and it said it's equal to 3.14159, and semicolon for that. Alright, let's go into our code. Let's go ahead and get the cosmetics done. Room to work, and let's start by initiating our variables, and they're all doubles. Let's go double cylinder radius. Then we have our cylinder height. Then cylinder volume, and cube side. See out, let's do our precision, set precision. Alright, now let's see out, and we're going to enter the radius of the cylinder. And this one's going to be cylinder radius. Let's go ahead and copy this and paste it. This actually is going to be very similar when we do the cylinder height. So enter the height of the cylinder. And cylinder height. volume equals pi times cylinder radius times cylinder volume times cylinder radius again. There you go. Times cylinder height. And semicolon. Asterisks. Our semicolon there, so we're good. Then we'll go down to cube side. Equals POW cylinder volume let's go 1.0 divided by three sides, then C out cube side. Up. Let's go to the top. So we 2 and 3 we added our IO manip and our CMath include statements. Our name constant was pi, which is 3.14159. Then we declared our variables. We had 4 doubles: cylinder radius, cylinder height, cylinder volume, cylinder side. Then our set, we set our precision. And we did enter the radius of the cylinder. Boy. Enter the radius of the cylinder. Enter the height of the cylinder. Then cylinder volume pi. Those look good. Cube side. Let's go ahead and run this. Enter the radius of the cylinder. Let's go 56. Height 88. Cube side is 93.5. Alright, so let's go ahead and calculate the grade while we look at the code again. In case you didn't get it, I'll make it a little bit bigger again. Control plus. So here we go, the first 21 lines. You check those out. If you're still looking at them, go ahead and pause them. I'm gonna go down. And then there is the return, the last line. And we got our 100 and our green check. So that's all good. And then cylinder height with semicolon is this last word on line 27. All right, so let's go on to the next one right after this.